How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have this 2004 Ford F-250. I'm gonna do the whole treatment on the paint. I'm gonna wash it, clay bar, polishing. I'm going to use V36 and V38. I have my wires, clay bar kit, and my polisher. To begin with, this paint is in really rough condition. I'm gonna try to bring it to life in this episode, but if you can see, it has a lot of deep scratches. It's a work truck, so I'm not gonna concern or spend way too much time polishing the truck. I'm just gonna go and try to make the paint look a little bit better. But imagine all those scratches. Work truck. So let me wash the truck, then I'm gonna do the clay bar, then we move into polishing the truck. Okay, guys, truck is being washed, clay bar too. Took me a long time. This paint was really nasty. Have my Torq right here, and the orange pad is gonna be the cutting pad. This truck needs to be repainted, but at least we're gonna remove the oxidation, light scratches from the paint, and we're gonna protect it somehow. Okay, I have my pad conditioner so you don't burn the paint when you start using your polisher. I'm gonna start on the lowest setting just to spread the product around. Okay, I don't know if you see the difference, but it's a lot of difference between the little piece where I do my polish and the other piece. Let me show you. I hope you can see it. It's a lot of micro scratches on here, and this part is really smooth, really good. I like how it turned out. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Not a lot of pressure on the polisher. Keep the pressure to the minimum. Let the machine do the job, and you should be okay. That paint looks awesome. And that, you see the oxidation on the paint, and you see how bright it is in here. That part of the truck is done, but I should go with the V34. I think the 36 is not enough. Paint is really damaged. A lot of scratches still in the paint, but you can see the difference. All those micro scratches. We're removing from this one. I still have to do the final polish with the V38, but you can see the micro scratches are gone. You can see right there the oxidation, scratches. Now the part that we polish. This paint is really bad. Clear coat is damaging here, but we're gonna make it look a little bit better. You can see how bad it looks right here. I'm done with the V36. Now I'm gonna move into the V30A. To use that one, I'm gonna use the white pad and the V30A just to finish polishing the paint. We're almost done. Now, with the black pad, which is the pad for sealants and waxes, I'm gonna use AC glaze just to finish the truck. With the glaze, you don't have to put pressure, just let the machine do the work too. If you have the machine, it's gonna be easier to apply glazes, sealants, waxes, because with the machine you're just spreading the product around. It's gonna polish, it's gonna protect the paint, buff it off with the microfiber towel, and you're good to go. You can see on the doors too, the oxidation and micro scratches are out of the paint. There you have it, guys. Truck is done. A lot of work, a lot of hours, but the paint looks really good now. And just to finish, guys, this is exactly what I use for this episode. I have my Torq, my foam cannon, pressure washer, polisher, and the clay kit. Everything that I use. You can go to the description to see all the products that I use for this episode, because the paint came out really good. Lots of hours, lots of work, but at the end of the day, I know the customer is gonna be really happy. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.